Hello everybody, Kawasaki Finland sent us this 125 motorcycle, and they asked that can we do a test ride video from this bike, and we said sure, because we know that a lot of you guys are like 14 or 15 and you are looking for like buying bike like this. We have done these kind of 125 reviews before, but not with Kawasaki. Let's look inside the box. There it is. So it's a Jet 125. Let's lift the metal cage. So the idea is that we can tune it a little bit. We can change the exhaust also. We got here Arrow silencer.
You wanna keep the bike?
Take off the plastics. Oh yes. There it is. Looking awesome.
Really good.
Looking really good. Really aggressive. Maybe we're gonna do something to this register plate system. This is system, but you know, new bikes, I don't know, is it the law or something that the new bikes have to have like this kind of huge fucking register plate system?
What was inside the box?
Mirrors. Yeah, there is the user manual. Mulci, read it before use.
Yeah, thank you.
Then we decide that we're gonna change this handlebar because it's like completely flat. I don't know. I think that it's gonna be much more easier to do wheelies. Handlebar like this, you know, dirt bike handlebar. Yeah, we're gonna test it. It was surprised how good looking this bike is. The only minus is that there's not upside down front suspension. This mask needs something because it's just black. It's kind of boring, this mask, because on the side it's like there's a colors, beautiful colors, there's tape, but on the front there's nothing. So this needs something. Our shifter Uber tape is pretty damn close with this original tape, so we're gonna use this here on the mask to like lift it a little bit up, because it's a weird that in the side here there is graphic and tapes, but in front of the bike the mask is just black. So we're gonna tune it a little bit with the shifter Uber Moped set. If this were my bike, I would take this off and put register plate somewhere here and buy new blinkers. We don't have new blinkers now, but you know, do place for the blinkers down here. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, we're gonna compare the sound with the stock X-House and with this. And it's easy to install this. You don't have to do like nothing. Just bolt on, like they say.
Yeah.
Oh man.
The
brake lines and the wirings are too short. We can't swap the handlebar. Because we ain't gonna do new wirings and new brake lines. No! We have to go with the stock. Our tapes, black and white Uber tapes, I think it looks a little bit more aggressive now. Well, the Arrow silencer looks good, and well, we are too big boys for bikes like this, but I know that there is young dudes who are watching this video. Let's fire it up. Yeah, it's filming now. So let's see. how did you like the bike?
It's really good actually, but for me I need more power because I'm so old guy. But for youngsters, really good bike. It's so lightweight, you can do stunts, and it's really good on off-road too. Yeah, why not? It's good looking, not so expensive. Really good first bike.
Thanks for watching. Very awesome.
Very fast.
Very fast.